Hello. What if your game could win an award? That's exactly what could happen in the year 2026. This year, I'm hosting my first ever Unreal University Student Game Awards. Think of it like the Game Awards, but instead of AAA companies competing, it's going to be everyone in my community. So if you make any game this year, it'll be eligible, and then at the end of the year, I'm going to get all of the games made in my community, and there'll be multiple categories, and then we'll basically vote which game was Game of the Year within this community. I thought this would be a fun little competition to do. And I may host it live, we'll see. Here's all you need to know for now. First of all, you need to build a game, and then second of all, you just need to upload it to any platform where a person could play it. And then number 3, there'll be a link in the description of this video. You can just submit your game there, and that's it. The submissions are going to close sometime in December, so we're a long way away, but I encourage you to make a game this year and finish it. Now, before you can actually submit anything, you need to build something. And if you haven't started yet, check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course. I'm an authorized Unreal Engine instructor, and that will teach you the complete basics of Unreal Engine. And if you've never made a full playable game, earlier this year I released a YouTube tutorial where I built one of the first games ever made, Pong, from complete scratch with a main menu, sound effects, and everything. I recommend you check that out if you've never built a full game, because in that tutorial, you'll build a whole game from complete scratch. Links to check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course will be somewhere in the description of the video, and I'll make the Pong tutorial video appear somewhere on the screen now. I'm making this video now, so you have a whole 10 months to build something. I'll do a full dedicated video about this closer to December, with all of the final details, although the submissions are open from today. If you're not subscribed yet, now's the best time because you don't want to miss that video. So here's my mission for you this year. Build something and ship it. Because at the end of this year, this community is going to celebrate the best student games, and you could be one of them. I will see you there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!